Hey, hi friends, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? So today we are covering a important topic, that is Punarukti. Punarukti na repetition of words. Punar means again. Ukti means production. So again production of the same word is Punarukti. So let's see with the examples. Punarukti definition is पुनरुक्ति वह है जिसमें एक शब्द को दोहराया जाता है। पुनरुक्ति रूपांतर के संबंध को बतलाता है। संज्ञा, सर्वनाम, विशेषण, क्रिया, क्रिया विशेषण आदि से पुनरुक्ति शब्द का निर्माण होता है। Okay, so what the writer says, definition: Punarukti is a word where it is repeated. It may be a similar word or it may be a different word that will give you the importance of the sentence. It may include noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, etc. Punarukti ke prakar. Now we will see the types of पुनरुक्ति। पूर्ण पुनरुक्ति, नंबर 2 अपूर्ण पुनरुक्ति, नंबर 3 अनुकरण पुनरुक्ति। So what are these? पूर्ण अनुरुक्ति means complete. Okay, let's see the definition. जब कोई एक शब्द एक ही साथ लगातार दोहराया जाता है तो उसे पूर्ण पुनरुक्ति कहते हैं। Okay, it says when one word is repeated more than one time is known as when one word is repeated more than one time in consecutive in a sentence, then it is known as Purna Punurukti. Okay, number 2, see the definition of Apurna Punurukti. जब कोई अलग अलग शब्द एक ही साथ लगातार दोहराया जाता है तो उसे अपूर्ण पुनरुक्ति कहते हैं। That means when two dissimilar words are brought together to give the importance of the sentence, then it will give you the help of writer's writing. Then it is known as Apurna Punurukti. Why it is Apurna? Because these are two different words. Okay, now let's see number 3. Type number 3 is Anukaran Punurukti. What is the definition? जब कोई एक शब्द दोहराया जाता है तो उसमें ध्वनि या अर्थ के आधार पर शब्द समान होता है। That means when the word is said or written to give the importance of sound, okay, then it is known as Anukaran Punarukti. So these are the 3 types of Punarukti. Now see them with the examples. Number 1, Purna Punarukti. First example, आप आगे आगे चलिए. Can you see that I have highlighted आगे आगे? So that shows the importance, that is a repetition. What is the meaning of the sentence? நீங்க முன்னாடி முன்னாடி நடுங்க. You move forward. Example number 2, पानी में सुंदर सुंदर मछलियां हैं. What's the meaning of the sentence? In water there are beautiful fishes. Number 3 example, आज मैं पढ़ते पढ़ते सो गया. That means while reading I fall asleep. So you can see I have highlighted the important words which are repeated. This is similar word like आगे आगे, सुंदर सुंदर, पढ़ते पढ़ते. Okay, please make a note of it. Let's move to the next examples. Now we will see the example of अपूर्ण और आंशिक पूर्ण रूप. बच्चे बड़े सब खुशी मन रहे हैं. बच्चे बड़े, that means बच्चे means small kids, बड़े means big. So the writer has repeated the word, but they both word are dissimilar. They are different. बच्चे is another word, बड़े is another word. Okay. Number 2, मैंने अभ्यास में दिन रात एक कर दिया. दिन और रात. What is the meaning of the sentence? I have not seen the day and night for my studies or practice. So din or raat, these both are different words but used consecutively to give the meaning of that sentence. Number 3 example. यहाँ आस पास कोई नहीं है. So what is the meaning of the sentence? Here there is no one nearby. That means the importance is given to the environment. Let's see the example number 3. अनुकरण पुनरुक्ति examples. Number 1, दरवाजे से धाड़ धाड़ आवाज आई. So here the writer wants to give you the idea about that sound created by the door. धाड़ धाड़. Okay, so I have highlighted that word. Example number 2, मोर जंगल में झनक झनक नाचा. Okay, the writer wants to say that peacock dances with that sound in the jungle, jhanak jhanak. Okay, so that resembles to the sound on a dry leaf. The peacock is dancing. Okay, example number 3, school की घंटी टन टन बजी. That means the school bell rang with that sound, tan tan. So these are the examples of punarukti, and these are known as the repetition of the words. Okay friends, I believe you are taking all the notes, and good luck for your exam. If you want any topic, so please comment me on this page and I will make sure you will get the right accurate with examples. Even you can text me on my WhatsApp number that is given on the WhatsApp description. Thank you, take care.